Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Disney Plus on Xbox Series X step by step clearly. To begin, turn on your Xbox Series X. Once on the home screen, navigate to the Microsoft Store. Use the search bar at the top to type in Disney Plus. Select the Disney Plus app from the search results. Click on the Get button to download the application. Once the download is complete, return to the home screen. Find the Disney Plus app and select it to launch the application. On the main screen, you will see the login prompt. If you already have an account, select Login. You will be asked to enter your email address and password. Type in your email address in the first field. Then, move to the password field and enter your password. Double-check your entries for accuracy. Once confirmed, select the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your Disney Plus account. Take a moment to explore the interface and available content. You are now ready to start streaming on Disney Plus from your Xbox Series X. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.